Oh, fuck.
Youths from Heidelberg village begin to realize that they're noobs in the mountains.
In the first part of the Alps Epic Trail we were taught some lessons and the mountain was put into mountain biking. For the part 2 of the Alps Epic Trail we're taking another cable car up onto the Rienerhorn and traverse along the side of the mountain over to Monstein, a small village with a very unique feature. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Whoa, that's really icy here. Wow, fucking roots. Nice. What the fuck? How is this supposed to work? So we were just talking about that this year is our end of the season ride. We have been mountain biking the whole half year now and in winter as well. And then you come here and it just fucks you up bad and you realize, fuck, I know nothing. I'm just a completely friggin' noob. Ah, nice. Alright, so this is the single trail down to Monstein. Very rooty. What the fuck? So if you have watched any of my other videos, you know that I'm a little bit afraid of heights. So this year is already pretty sick. Holy moly, that's epic. It's pure epicness. Alps Epic Trail.
Sorry?
Alps Epic Trail here.
Deserves the name?
Yeah. Oh, nice. Little alpine village. So as I just mentioned, I got a new jacket for this trip because in my old jacket I was just sweating like crazy. And it's just killing you when you're sweating like crazy in a jacket. And you have to take a longer trip, a longer tour. So I got this VD Tremalzo jacket, pretty basic model, 130 euros. But it's great, it's giving me the perfect amount of warm. We have here like 0 degree or something. And I'm not sweating. Actually I'm sweating, but it's transporting the humidity outside. Oh, sick. Give me something to drink. After descending a long, tedious and narrow single track down to the village of Monstein, we're now coming back to the unique feature of this village. It has the highest brewery in Switzerland and we had to stop for a beer here. Afterwards it was another steep but technically easy descent to the train station. Just remember to push the button at the train station, otherwise the train won't stop. Ready? Oh. Brake, brake, brake!
Cow shit everywhere.
Yeah. So this is where part 2 of the Alps Epic Trail ends. It didn't have as many epic single trail moments as the first part, but the scenery and the beer was great. From Davos Monstein it's a short train ride back to Davos Platz, where we parked our car. Just remember, there's a part 3 of the Alps Epic Trail which we didn't take on this day. Whether you're taking this tour or any other tours in Graubünden, I can only encourage you to visit this beautiful part of Switzerland. If you like this video, leave a like. If you have questions for your own trip to Switzerland, don't hesitate to ask me and leave a comment.